Hello everyone, I wanted to come on and talk to you about Dragonfly Garden, which is my free card kit in the mail for April. So this is a 9-piece red rubber stamp set. Again, just like the photopolymer, you mount those on your acrylic blocks. This set is really fun for this time of year. I love the dragonflies and that you can color them in. And then there's just all of this detailed like garden wild flowers, some little butterflies, and some really nice greetings too. It comes in a bundle with a punch. And so the bundle here, along with some ink pads and a blender pen and blending brush, and of course adhesive, is what you'll need to complete these cards as shown. So I do have all of the details listed in the event, and I'll link that here when I'm done with the video. So here is the first card. There are some designer papers here in the background. Cute little greeting right there with some oval, scalloped oval and regular oval around it. This little dragonfly, you may have noticed, is part of the punch here. So this is the stamped image, larger one, and then the small one there. And so I just added those few on there for a little bit of interest. And then of course some twine. This one has those detailed flowers, and I colored these in with a blender pen and the ink pad. Several different ink pads here. And then you might notice around the Bumblebee cardstock, I stamped some butterflies there just along the edges to add a little bit, and the twine on that one too, and of course some designer paper. This one I really like. So I did some sponging and blending of color on the background. And then I also did some blending of color with the blender pen on this dragonfly. And I'll do another video sometime and show you some of these techniques, but I kind of just wanted to do an overall introduction to the free card kit for this month. So I just really like this, and the detail of the vellum circle in the background. And then these I just punched out of the white cardstock and added them to the background just to give it a little more depth and texture. And being that this piece here is sponged, it just makes those pop off the cardstock even more. And then finally, this is one that is from our Memories and More card pack. So the envelope here, really cute. And this card is printed. So it's just white on the inside and back, but then it's printed with these flowers on the front. I added the designer paper. This piece here, I don't know if you can tell, I think you can, that there's some light sponging on here to give it that blue background. Colored the dragonfly, just a little bit of designer paper there, and then of course some twine on here. So those are the 4 cards for this month. So like I said, I will go ahead and link to the event so you can see all of the supplies that you need to order to complete these cards as shown. And then you will get this packet in the mail from me that's got supplies to make one of each of these 4 cards. You'll also get an email that's got photos and step-by-step instructions for how to make these, and it's going to have a bonus this month. So I have 9 other cards that I've made with the Dragonfly Garden bundle, and I'm going to give you photos of those 9 cards in this PDF tutorial that you get with the free card kit. So you're going to get 9 bonus ideas. So that is something just extra and special for this month. I will say if you want to duplicate those ideas, you're probably going to want to add the designer paper to your order. So in the list, it's got the bundle, which is the stamp set and the punch. It's got the ink pads, blender pen, sponging, brush. It's got all of that. It doesn't list the paper, but if you want to make more of these, or if you want to do some of those bonus cards just as they're shown, you're probably going to want to add that designer paper to your order too. So that is what I have for you today. Stay tuned for more creative inspiration. Be sure to use the host code when you place your order so that you get your free card kit in the mail. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.